Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. My name is Cameron, and today we're installing these MODZ Nerf Bars on this Evolution Classic. Alrighty guys, y'all should have two boxes. In the first box, you should get two belly bars, a driver side and a passenger side frame bracket, and a hardware kit. In the second box, you'll have your MODZ Nerf Bars, you're gonna have another hardware kit, and then a set of adjustment brackets. Here are the tools you're gonna need for the job. A cool thing that MODZ decided to add to their Nerf bars is a white plate on the back that you can remove and customize by painting it. It colors the MODZ logo. Alrighty, safety first. Go ahead and make sure your parking brake is engaged and your key is in the off position. Next, we're gonna jack up our golf cart. I like to jack it up from the base of the tow hitch. And I like to put my floor jacks up front next to these U-bolts for safety. Both sides of the installation will be the exact same, except for on the passenger side, we need to pull back at this bundle of wire that is connected to the frame. To install the passenger side frame bracket, you're gonna start right here with the U-bolt and it's gonna finish back here with the hook. Go ahead and take your dikes and remove 5 zip ties. Now, pull the bundle of wire away from the frame. In our case, we had an extra zip tie lying around, so temporarily, we're just gonna zip tie these wires out of the way. When installing the frame bracket, your hook is always gonna be towards the back of your golf cart. You're also gonna have a U-bolt with 2 bolts that go on the front of the golf cart. The frame brackets are labeled P and D. P for passenger, D for driver. Now, when you put the actual frame bracket on there, the back hook holds on to the frame right in this gap. So it'll go in like this. You're gonna take your U-bolt and install it at the front of the frame right past the bin. Now after your back hook is on the frame, go ahead and feed the U-bolt on the front through the front 2 holes of the frame bracket. Go ahead and hand tighten it with the nuts that came in the kit. Now that this is installed, repeat that process for the other side before we can go to the next step. After you've installed the passenger and the driver's side frame bracket, next step is to install 2 belly bars. The 2 belly bars are universal, so it doesn't matter which one goes to the front or the back. Go ahead and grab the rest of your nuts and your bolts in the hardware kit. The only thing that's important when installing these belly bars is that the U channel needs to face down. Now, using the 2 small square holes on each bracket, you're gonna put 2 of the bolts through there. Now, take your belly bar and insert them into the holes and hand tighten 2 nuts on there. And repeat for the front and the other sides. Now you can go ahead and tighten up both of your U-bolts and all 4 of your bolts on your belly bar. Keep pressure on the back side of the bolt to keep it from spinning when you tighten it. Next step is to install the adjustment brackets. When installing the adjustment brackets, make sure the little indentation is facing up. Now take your 2 bolts and feed them in through the back. After you have those bolts in, you can hand tighten 2 nuts. Make sure to only hand tighten these because it'll allow you to adjust your Nerf bar later. And repeat for all 4 sides. Now we're ready to install the Nerf bars. The Nerf bar is going to have a long end and that's going to face towards the back of the golf cart. This is the part where you can now customize the MODZ plate. To do so, you need an 8mm wrench and you're going to remove an 8mm nut and bolt. Grab your nuts and your bolts and feed them through the holes on the back side of the Nerf bar and through the adjustment bracket. And do the same for the other side. For the next step, we're going to go ahead and level out our Nerf bars. To do so, you need to go ahead and remove the jacks and lower your cart back down to the ground. A cool thing about MODZ Nerf bars is the ability to adjust them. You have range of motion going up, down, in, and out, which allows you to adjust it to fit you and your cart. Now we're going to go ahead and adjust the Nerf bar. If you have a friend, have your friend hold it up to your desired position while you tighten the bolts. If you're by yourself, we recommend using a jack. The jack can hold up the Nerf bar in the position you want while you tighten the bolts. After you have it where you want it, go ahead and tighten down all 8 bolts and repeat for the other side. After everything is installed, go ahead and zip tie those bundle of wires back to the original position. Alrighty guys, now your golf cart has the coolest Nerf bars in town. You see how much closer that is to the ground? If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week.